Starting this video here, guys, today, we are walking through Norris today, guys, and I'm giving you a neighborhood walk today. So don't forget, guys, to always like and subscribe to this video. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, and hope you guys relax back and enjoy the video on Jamaican world travel. Nice over here, so, eh? Yes, man. Everything. I got everything out. And over here, so guys, the land over here. I know the person by the name of Nicky Weber. Yeah. Yeah, this land belongs to someone I know, guys. Yeah, it belongs to someone I know. So yes, guys, I'm showing you on the neighborhood walk after the disaster. Oh, here's the building over here, guys. So this is the building over here, guys. What they finish? Just cool yourself. I'm not talking to you guys. Thank you. It's not you, dog. We're not talking to you. I'm talking to my friend. Over here, guys. This is the disaster after Hurricane Melissa. Yeah. So this place was destroyed by the hurricane. See that, guys? So this is the big devastation. So Hurricane Melissa. So this is all the devastation after Hurricane Melissa. I could go over there and show you some more damage, but I'm not going to walk in the bush because I don't have any water boots on. But this is a part of the damage what done here. Anyway, yes, let's continue anyway and look for more damages along the neighborhood walk. Yeah. Did everything. And look over here. Wow. What is the name of that plant? Eh? I was going to say cactus, yeah. But it's just a unique style of it. Wow. Looks gorgeous. You could have a lot of dog here barking. Yeah, calm down, calm down. Oh, Hockey Factory, yeah, over here. Okay, this way. I can see lots of buses and truck over that side. And look over here, there's a lot of mango trees over here. It's a mango tree forest, huh? Oh, look at that. Wow. Right, the guy is waving his flag hands out. Oh, it looked to me like rain is gonna come back. Oh, we're gonna get wet. Oh, I never want to get caught in this rain. Oh, wow. It is gonna rain. What are we gonna do? Yeah, we have to do that, yes. Because you can see up there. See over there, guys, you see? See, it's about to burst down over there in rain. So you can feel the cool breeze as well. The cool breeze and everything. Another mango over there, you know, mango tree. Oh, that house over there is nice. Yeah, it's a nice house over there. And one over there is building. A lot of concrete one is building over that side. I know this rain is gonna come. Yeah, this rain is definitely gonna come. Oh, look at this house over here, guys. House over here is really beautiful. Look at the blue gate and all that. Yeah, it's quite nice. And a mango tree, everything over here is nice. Yes, and yes, guys, I can feel the raindrops. So the best place to shelter now is maybe under this mango tree. I tell you, the rain was gonna come, guys. Yes, we was expecting this rain. No surprise about this rain. I think the only shelter we have right now, guys, is this mango tree here. Well, that's the only place we can shelter right here now. Yes, this is the only way. See, it's raining there, guys. Look. You could look, I see that rain coming, guys. Never see that coming. The rain start to mount down. So we're just in a yard here, guys. You know, this yard here, we don't even know the person here. So, but anyway. Oh, Carlton. Okay, I've got. Okay, Carlton. Okay, next door here. So we just take a little shelter under the tree here. Yes, the rain is pouring down, guys. You know, we see the rain coming. How did we know this rain coming? Oh, what is this? Oh, that looks very beautiful, whatever it is. I haven't seen that for a long time. Yes, guys, the rain managed to all up a little bit now. So we just continue to walk now. Yes, on this neighborhood walk. Wow, and look at these lovely palm trees. Wow.
It's in the castor oil.
Oh yes, that's castor oil, isn't it?
That's what used to make the castor oil.
That's right. I remember this tree. I don't forget that tree, you know. That tree is a nice one, really nice. That's it, take your time, that's it. Look at this house over here, guys. This house over here is nice. Yeah. Yes, what a nice house, isn't it? Right over here, got a little solar system over here going on here. So, where's the light? They meant to have a little light on the post. Look at this house over here, guys. House over here is nice, guys. So many beautiful houses up here, you know. And look at this other house as well, guys, with all the palm tree in the yard. I'd love to fix my front yard like this, guys. What do you say? Yes, I'd love to fix my front yard like that. Really nice. Yes, let's cross over. Oh, look at this road up here. Where does road take us to? Yes. But there's a road that takes us to Windsor Castle somewhere up here. You used to go to a road here. Or up there. Yeah. Or is it up? Is it up Gotaway the way? Oh, I know where you're talking now. It's when you go to the end of the road on the right. That road. Right, yes. I remember when I was going to Windsor Castle, I drive one road. Let's see if I can find the road, you know, but it should be a... And I'm going up there too. It's far, it's very far. Windsor Castle is very, very far, Windsor Castle, yeah. It's up on the hill, you know? Windsor Castle, yeah. Used to have a cousin live down there called Shorty. So we used to go down that side to see Shorty all the time. Look, and it's another road to the hill again. Or that side again, another road to cut. Yeah. It's another road. Hill again. Yes, all these roads you can tell just to the hill, nothing else, you know? You wouldn't even know what name to give them. Oh, this is a shop here. Oh, they have a barber shop over here. Oh, you're very nice. Yeah. Oh, it's over there. The roof looked damaged. Like it needs some fixing up. Look at this dumper truck here, guys.
Yes, Julie.
Yeah.
That's where we should have some eggs.
Where? Over there. Okay, nice house over there, guys. Oh, this is the hard way here, isn't it? Okay, we call this one didn't have no power star, huh? Okay, so there's no point in going there and asking, you know? Are you still think we should ask, even though they don't have any? Are they order? I wonder if they order. We can ask if they order. Yeah. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate, Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.